Today we are going to learn a new lesson, Standard Ninth, Unit number 2, Lesson number 3, Mark Twain. Mark Twain was the pen name of Samuel Langhorne Clemens, a popular American writer. Here, one activity is here. It is chit chat activity. Now we can discuss this activity. Some questions are here. You can answer the questions. The first question is, who is your favorite comedian? My favorite comedian is Bharat Ganeshpure. It is my answer. Your answer will be different. You can say like this. What do you like better, to listen to a joke or to tell a joke? I would like to tell a joke. It is the answer. According to me, I would like to tell a joke. The third question is, do you like cartoons and cartoon films? Which one do you like best? I like cartoons and cartoon films. I like the cartoon Motu and Patlu. Here another activity is given here. Quick thinkers. Within 1 minute, write as many meaningful phrases as possible using the numbers given below. Do not repeat the idea. Answers are given here. You can write another answer, not repeating the given answer. One, the answer is given here, one man, but our answer is one city. You can write like this, one city. Two, two roads is given here. You can write two brothers or two sisters like this. Three, three lamps, three cars. Our answer is three cars. A four-wheeler. Four, a four-wheeler is answer there. Four friends. Five frogs. Five, our answer is 5 days. Six kites. Our answer is six donkeys. Seven arrows. Our answer is seven merchants. 40 flowers. Our answer is 40 thews. 100 dots. Our answer is 100 gold coins. Here is the lesson. You can look in your books. Mark Twain, unit number 2, lesson number 3. Mark Twain was the pen name of Samuel Langhorne Clemens, a popular American writer. Mark Twain was the pen name of Samuel Langhorne Clemens. He was very Popular American writer. He was very famous writer. He was famous for his humorous stories, novels, and other writings. ते विनोदी कथेत, कादंबऱ्या आणि इतर लिखाणामध्ये अतिशय प्रसिद्ध होते. His ready wit shown through everyday conversations. त्यांची विनोदी कथा दररोजच्या संभाषणामधून आपल्याला दिसून येते. मेनी anecdotes related to Mark Twain are told and enjoyed even today. अनेक दाखले, त्यांनी लिहिलेले अनेक दाखले मार्क ट्वेनच्या संदर्भातील आजही सांगितलं जातं. अँड एन्जॉयड इवन टुडे, आजही आपण आनंद घेतो. इट शुड बी नोटेड दॅट ही वॉज अ ग्रेट डिफेंडर ऑफ ह्युमन व्हॅल्यूज लाईक लिबर्टी, इक्वेलिटी अँड फ्रेटर्निटी. ही वॉज अ ग्रेट डिफेंडर ऑफ ह्युमन व्हॅल्यूज, मानवी मूल्ये त्याने जतन केलेले. लाईक लिबर्टी, स्वातंत्र्य, इक्वॅलिटी, समता, समानता अँड फ्रेटर्निटी, बंधुता. 3 मानवी मूल्ये जतन करण्याचा प्रयत्न त्यांनी केलेले, संरक्षण केलेले. ही अपोज्ड वॉर्स अँड इम्पेरियलिझम and supported the cause of laborers and of the black people in his country America. He opposed wars, त्यांनी युद्धाला विरोध केलेले. and imperialism, साम्राज्यवादाला विरोध केलेले. he supported the cause of laborers, मजुरीचे कारण कोणती आहेत? आपल्याला मजूर हे कमी करायचं आहे. and of the black people in his country अमेरिका, अमेरिकेतील कृष्णवर्णीय जे लोक आहेत त्यांचे समस्या नाहीसे करण्याचा प्रयत्न त्यांनी केलेला आहे. गिवन बिलो आर सम anecdotes from his life and some quotations from his speeches and writings. या ठिकाणी खाली त्यांच्या जीवनात आलेले अनेक दाखले त्यांनी दिलेले आहेत. अँड सम कोटेशन्स फ्रॉम हिज स्पीचेस अँड रायटिंग्स, त्यांच्या भाषणातून, त्यांच्या लेखनातील अनेक अवतरणे, महत्वाचे वाक्य या ठिकाणी दिलेले आहे. सम अनेक्डोट्स, काही महत्वाचे दाखले, उपाख्यान कसं दिलेले आहे. Here is one example, only I will take one example of anecdotes and remaining anecdotes you can learn by yourself and try to understand. I will give you one example of anecdotes of Mark Twain. One day during a lecture tour, Mark Twain entered a local barber shop for a shave. एके दिवशी लेक्चर टूरला, व्याख्यानाच्या प्रवासाला जाताना Twain entered a local barber shop for a shave. दाढी करण्यासाठी गावातील एका नाव्याकडे ते आले. This Twain told the barber was his first visit to the town. That time the Twain told that it was his first time to visit that town and also that barber shop. Barber said, "You have chosen a good time to come." योग्य वेळ आहे तुम्ही या ठिकाणी आलेलं. Barber said that. Twain replied, "हो, असं आहे का?" Mark Twain is going to lecture here tonight. You will want to go, I suppose. बार्बर म्हणाला, मार्क ट्वेनचं आज व्याख्यान आहे, आज रात्री तुला जायचं आहे का? आय सपोज मला जायचं आहे. मार्क ट्वेन सेड, आय गेस सो. देन बार्बर सेड, हॅव यू बॉट युअर तिकीट एट? तिकीट वगैरे खरेदी केलेले आहे का? मार्क ट्वेन सेड, नो नॉट एट. नाही, अद्याप नाही. बार्बर सेड, वेल इट्स सोल्ड आउट सो यू विल हॅव टू स्टँड. सगळी तिकिटे विकलेले, तुला थांबावं लागेल, उभा राहावं लागेल. जस्ट माय लक सेड ट्वेन. माझं सुदैव आहे. विथ अ साय, सुस्कार सोडून म्हणाला, आय ऑलवेज हॅव टू स्टँड वेन दॅट फेलो लेक्चर्स. हिअर ट्वेन did not reveal his identity to the barber. Barber did not know this person is Mark Twain. That is why here we have so many examples. I will give you margin question. Some margin questions are here. What was Mark Twain's real name? Margin question is here. Look there in right corner. What was Mark Twain's real name? Mark Twain's real name is Samuel Langhorne Clemens. Do you understand? The another margin question is, where else are the human values of liberty, equality and fraternity mentioned in the book? Find and copy the page in a beautiful hand. This is another question. Answer is that we can find the human values of liberty, equality and fraternity at the introductory note in the text. The words a great defender of human values. Great defender of human values. So here we see another example of match the words with their meanings. There are two columns. In A column, question words are there. In B column, answers are there. Question word, humorous. The answer is comic. Second word is abruptly. The answer is suddenly. Third one is disapprove. The answer is reject. Liberty. The answer is freedom. Liberty means freedom. And another activity is here. Find out the root words from the given word. Root word, मूळ शब्द कोणता आहे? डिफेंडर हा शब्द आलेला आहे. डिफेंडर, रूट वर्ड इज डिफेंड. इक्वेलिटी हा शब्द आलेला आहे पॅराग्राफ नंबर 2 मध्ये. इक्वेलिटी मूळ शब्द आहे. रूट वर्ड इज इक्वल. त्यानंतर कोटेशन हा शब्द आहे. द रूट वर्ड इज कोट. डिसअप्रूव्हिंगली शब्द आलेले आहे. द मेन वर्ड इज अप्रूव्ह. Here one web is here. You can complete the web. Information about Mark Twain. You can write 4 answers. You can write 4 answers in web. Then you will complete the web. Information about Mark Twain, a popular American writer. In one web, you can write a popular American writer. Second information is here. Famous for humorous stories, novels, and other writings. This is the second information about Mark Twain. Then the third information is he is great defender of human values. काय लिहायचं त्यात चौकोनात great defender of human values. And fourth one, the last one is opposed wars and imperialism. युद्धाने साम्राज्याला विरोध केलेला आहे. अशा प्रकारे in this way you can complete the web. So today we stop here. Thank you very much. You can read the lesson and remaining part in your house and learn more and more new words, grammar and other things by yourself. Okay, thank you very much.